Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman si Kuya Linux para magbigay ng konting tutorial. I think mga pang grade 6 or 7 ito, no? Para dun sa mga higher grades, review na lang to. Doon naman sa mga lower grades, dagdag kaalaman. So, ang topic natin ay, ayan o, sa taas. Math operation, order, or sequence. Ito yung mga maraming operation, tapos may mga parentheses, may exponents, alin ang mauuna. Siguro alam nyo na to, no? So, kung naalala nyo, meron tayong tinatawag na PEMDAS. P E M D A S. PEMDAS. Yan yung acronym. Yan yung sequence. Pagkakasunod-sunod. So, P stands for parentheses. Okay? Then, E stands for exponents. Then, M stands for multiplication. Multiplication. Okay? Then D stands for division. Then A stands for addition. Then S is subtraction. Okay? Yan. So, yan yung order or sequence. Paano i-operate yung mga multiple operation. So, let's take an example. Example. You know. So, our example is 3 plus 4 times parentheses 2 plus 1 square minus 10 divided by 2. So, uunahin nyo guys yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So, 3 plus, just copy, 4 times. So, unahin nyo yan. Nasa loob ng parentheses. 2 plus 1, 3. Then, copy the exponents. Okay? 3 plus 4 times 3 square minus 10 divided by 2. After parentheses, exponents. So 3 plus 4 times 3 square, 9. 3 times 3, ano? That's 9. Minus 10 divided by 2. Okay? The next is multiplication. After exponents, multiplication. 3 plus 4 times 9, 36. Okay? minus 10 divided by 2. Then after multiplication, division. 3 plus, just copy, 36 minus 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay. Then after division, addition. So 3 plus 36, 39 minus 5. Then the last is subtraction. Is equal to 39 minus 5, 34. Okay guys? Tama ba? So ganyan yung order or sequence pagsasolve, no? Sundan nyo lang yung PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Let's take another example. Burahin natin to para may space. Okay? So, parentheses 5 minus 2 5 minus 2, let's say cube like that, minus 3 plus 4 square times 2 square divided by 2. 5 minus 2 raised to the third power minus 3 plus 4 square times 2 square divided by 2. So, similarly, solve first those inside parentheses. So, 5 minus 2, 3. Raised to the third power or 3 cube minus 3 plus 4 square times 2 square divided by 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3 raised to the third power or 3 cube minus 3 plus 4 square times 2 square divided by 2. Lagyan natin ng equal sign. Yan. Then, after parentheses, exponents. So, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3, 27. No, you multiply 3 times. That's the meaning of cube. If to the fourth power, multiplied by 4 times. If fifth power, 5 times. And so on and so forth. So, 27 minus 3 plus 4 square, 16. 4 times 4, 16. Times 2 square, 2 times 2, 4. Divided by 2. Okay? Then after exponents, multiplication. 27 minus 3 plus 16 times 4, 64. Divided by 2. Then after multiplication, division. Equal to 27 minus 3 plus 64 over 2, 32. Or 64 divided by 2, 32. Is equal to addition. Next is take the addition. So 27 minus what? This is negative 3 plus 32. Unlike sign, magsusubtract, di ba? And then use the sign of the larger number, which is 32. So positive. So 32 subtract to 3, 29. No, 32 minus 3, 29. Then copy the sign of the larger number, that will be 29. Positive. Di ba? Kasi yung 32 mas malaki eh. So, positive 29 ang magiging sagot niya, ano? Yung negative 3 plus 32 is positive 29. So, then go to the last. You just add. Is equal to 27 plus 29, 56. Suppose inuna na natin yung subtraction kasi pwede rin siyang unahin eh. Balik natin to, guys. Yan, oh. 27 minus 3 is 24. Di ba? Plus 32, 56. Parehas lang, guys. So, dun sa sequence, pag meron ng addition tsaka subtraction, kung ano yung mauna, from left to right, pwedeng yun ang unahin nyo. Kagaya dito, di ba yan na siya? 27 minus 3 plus 32. So, pwedeng unahin mo na yung subtraction. Parehas din. Tingnan mo, 27 minus 3, 24. Plus 32. Di ba? So, is equal to 56. Kagaya din kanina, di ba? 56. So, yun guys, yung PEMDAS, no? So, short tutorial lang tayo ngayon. Kasi medyo nakakalito yan, ano? Kahit ako nalilito eh. Pero sundan mo lang yung PEMDAS, okay na. Makakukuha mo na yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye. See you on my next channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.